A long time ago, the world was filled with bad choices. There was one man who was different. His name was Noah, kind and good. Noah listened to God. God told Noah a great flood was coming. The flood would wash away all bad things. God had a special plan for Noah. He asked Noah to build a huge boat. This boat was called the Arkansas. The ark was to save Noah's family and animals. So Noah and his family started working. The ark was enormous, bigger than a football field. It had 3 decks, a roof, and plenty of space. Imagine the biggest ship made of wood. Then, the animals began to arrive. Lions, elephants, birds, kangaroos, and more. God sent them 2 by 2. They could have families after the flood. Some animals came in groups of 7. Picture the roar of lions and trumpeting of elephants, chatter of monkeys and flutter of birds' wings, all gathering peacefully on Noah's Arkansas. When everyone was safely aboard, the rain began. It rained for 40 days and nights. The earth was covered with water. Noah, his family, and animals were safe. Finally, the rain stopped, waters receded. The ark rested on a mountain. Noah sent out a dove. It returned with an olive leaf. A sign land was near. When they left the ark, God made a promise.